Hello, first graders! Welcome back to math. What we will be doing is we will generate a number that is greater than or less than a number. How we will do this is we will generate and illustrate a number that is greater than and less than the number 30 and 48. This is important so we can understand the value of numbers. Let's go ahead and go over our vocabulary. Our first vocabulary word is ones. So in the number 47, we're going to look at this last digit, which is 7. And it lets us know we have 7 ones. Base 10 blocks. We have our ones block, our 10 long block, and our hundreds block. We have tens. So in the number 47, the tens place is in the 4 is in the tens place, so it lets us know we have 4 tens, these 4 long 10 blocks. Standard form. Standard form is just the digit form of a number. So this is 247. Expanded form. Expanded form is when we take apart a number. So in 247, we broke it apart into 3 sections. So 200 plus 40 plus 7. Place value. Our place value chart lets us know how many tens and ones a number has. So 47 has 4 tens and 7 ones. Represent. Represent is when we are able to use our greater than, less than, or equal to symbol in a number sentence. Less than. Less than is when we want to know what object has the smallest amount or what number is smaller. So there are 2 apples, so the number of apples is less than the number of oranges because there's the least amount. Greater than. Greater than is which one has more. What is the bigger number? So there are 5 apples and 3 oranges. So the number of apples is greater than the number of oranges. Equal to. Equal to is that there's the same amount, the same number. So there's 5 apples and 5 oranges, so they are equal. Our new vocabulary words are 10 more and 10 fewer. So 10 more is when we add a 10 long to a number, or we add 10. So if we do 10 plus 10, that is 10 plus 10 more. 10 fewer is when we take away 10, or we take away a tens block. Let's go ahead and look at today's lesson. Let's go ahead and look at our problems for today. So right here we have our given number, which is 50. So 50, we have 5 tens and 0 ones. So we need to find a number that is 1 greater than and less than, but with only 1. So we're only going to add 1 and take away 1. So 1 more and 1 less. So let's go ahead and look at our base 10 blocks. So I have 50 right here. I have 5 tens and 0 ones. So let's go ahead and 1 greater than. So 1 greater than, all I have to do is add 1. 1 ones. So I just added ones. So now let's count how many we have. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tens. So I'm going to write 5 tens right here where it says tens in the tens column. And we just added 1. 1 ones. And we're going to draw it out. So how we draw our 10 longs is a long straight line. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And how we draw our ones is with 1 circle. Just with a circle. So I'm going to draw 1 ones. So here we have 1 more. So 50 plus 1 more is 51. Now let's see 1 less. What number can we generate that is 1 less? So let's go back to 50. I have 50 right here. And we're going to just take away 1. So I'm just going to take away 1. And now I don't have a tens block anymore. I just have ones because it doesn't make 10. Because I took away 1. So I'm going to take them apart. And since I took away 1, now I have some tens and some ones. Let's count how many tens I have. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have 4 tens now. I'm going to draw 4 in the tens column. And then ones. So how many ones do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I have 9 ones now. So now I have 4 tens and 9 ones. So let's go ahead and draw that out. So I have 4 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember, we draw our tens with lines, and our ones, we draw them as circles. So I have 9 ones. I'm going to draw 9 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have 9 circles. So now we have 1 less, which equals 49. So with our given number, we were able to generate a number 1 more and 1 less. So we have 51 and 49. Now let's go ahead and look down here, and it says blank is greater than 50. So what number is greater than 50? Yes, our 1 more, our 1 greater than. So 51 is greater than 50. Now what number is less than 50? Ding ding, the 1 less than. The number 49 is less than 50. So we're going to put 49. So 51 is greater than 50 and 49 is less than 50. Okay, let's go ahead and see our other problem. So now we have 50 again, but instead of our 1 more and 1 less, we are going to do 10 more, 10 greater than, and 10 less. So we're going to generate a number that is 10 more than 50 and 10 less than 50. So we have 50. Let's get our base 10 blocks ready. So we have 50. So let's start with 10 greater than. So we're going to add 10 more to 50. So we're just going to add another 10 long. Boom. Now let's count how many tens we have. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 tens. And did we add any ones? No, we just added a 10 long. So we have 0 ones. Now we're going to draw it and model it with our base 10 blocks. So we have 6, but we're going to go ahead and draw. So we have 6 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we don't have to draw any ones because we have 0 ones. So a number that is greater than 50 is 60. And if we add 10 to the number 50, it gives us 60. So 10 more than 50 is 60. Now let's look to see what number we can generate with 10 less. So let's go back to 50. I have 5 tens and 10 less. So we have to take away 10. Take away a 10 long. So I'm taking away a 10 long. And what are we left with? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4 tens. I'm going to put 4 tens in my tens column. And we don't have any ones. So I'm going to put 0 ones. Then I'm going to draw my base 10 blocks. So I have 4 tens and 0 ones. So I don't need to draw any ones. So 10 less than 50, our given number, is 40. So 50 minus 10 is 40. Now let's go ahead and see down here. What number is greater than 50? So what number did we come up with that is greater than 50? Yes, 60. 60 is greater than 50 because we added 10 more. So 60 is greater than 50. What number did we generate that is less than 50? So what number is less than 50? 40. 40, yes, because we took away 10. So 40 is less than 50. Awesome. Now let's look at another number. Let's look at this number, 68. So we have 6 tens and 8 ones. And we want to generate a number that is 1 more, 1 greater than, and 1 less. So let's get our base 10 blocks. And what we're going to do is for 1 more is 1 greater than, we're just going to add a 1s. So we're going to add a 1s. And now let's count how many 10s we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We still have 6 10s. So I'm going to put 6 in the 10s column. Now how many 1s did we have after adding 1? 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have 9 1s. Now we're going to draw our model. I'm going to draw 6 10s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 9 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So draw 9 1s. So I'm going to fill them in just like this. Okay, now we're going to go back to 68. So I'm going to take out that 1 that we added. Now we have to generate a number that is 1 less than. So what do we have to do? We have to take away 1. So I'm just going to take away a 1's block. Now let's see how many we have. How many 10s do we have? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We still have 6 10s. But let's see how many 1s we have left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now we have 7 1s after we took away 1. So let's go ahead and draw our model. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I drew my 6 10 blocks. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I drew my 6 10s and my 7 1s. So we generated a number 1 more than 68, which is 69. And a number 1 less is 67. So let's go ahead and look down here. And what number is greater than 68? What number did we generate? 69. Yes, 69 is greater than 68. We added 1, so it makes it greater than. What number is less than 68? Which number did we come up with? Yes, 67. So 67 is less than 68 because we took away 1. Awesome. 1 more. So 1 more, and go ahead and we're going to do this problem in video number 2.